Reina's first surprise egg.
Reina, I get to know how.
No.
You guys move. Auntie Kia's trying to record right now.
Mommy bought it for Reina.
It's a very big one. It's bigger than the one I got.
Really?
Come on, Reina.
Just like
Open the egg. Open egg. Open egg.
Mm.
a little.
She's struggling.
By 1 inch. By 1 inch. Well,
Ready?
One,
One,
you can't open it. Two.
I'm not gonna lie, it's pretty hard.
Wow! It says that it's for 3 and older. Whoa!
This is the side with the chocolate.
What is the spoon for?
To eat the chocolate.
Oh, okay, all right. Here, open that side first.
It's coconut and chocolate.
Okay, it says 1, milk or high quality without color. Oh, wait, that's the rules. All right, ready? Here, come here.
Ready?
1, 2.
I think that's a bit easy to open.
Reina's, I'm struggling, man.
I don't have to struggle on that.
Oh!
That's what I got.
That's chocolate!
That poop. It's not.
Eat it, Reina. Oh! Okay, now moving on to toy. No, get the
Other
toy.
side's the toy. Wait, what?
Open your toy.
No. What? That's the toy one. Open toy. Yeah, you
Go,
can't
Reina.
do it.
Go, baby.
And
Hey,
you
they tricked
can't
me. I
touch
thought it was the actual egg.
Not it's
Pull it, Reina. Open the rest. You got the strength. You got...
finger pull. I don't know what it is. If it's something you build, I would like to build it. No, can I build it? Nina?
Matthew, let Reina do it. No. What's that? That kind of freaks me out.
She got a unicorn. I like it. I like it.
Matthew, stop it. This is Reina's, right?
Yeah.
Yeah?
I like
So you gotta put the wings on, right? Look, Reina. You put the wings on.
Yeah.
And now it's a unicorn. Wait, how do you... Why isn't this... Oh. Unicorn! Yay!
I wanted to build
What's the
that.
flyer say?
It's a unicorn.
What's its name? I wanna see its
Haley,
name.
go.
What's its name?
It doesn't have a name.
Reina, I want to show you your surprise.
What's your surprise?
Show mommy. Show mommy your surprise.
Woo!
Yay!
Nice.
More chocolate.